Hello everyone, I am Dr. N.P. Deepak, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see a problem on extreme values. Extreme values nothing but you have to find the highest value and lowest value of a function. Extreme value is nothing but it's a simply way of finding a highest point and lowest point for a function. For example, how to find extreme values? First, a function they will given a function or given function. First, we have to take the function's derivative. First, we have to find the derivative for that function with respect to x and with respect to y, and with respect to x and y also we have to find the derivative of these functions. Second step of extreme values, we have to take the derivative and set it as equal to 0, and next we have to find the value of x and y. Keeping the derivative values equal to 0, set as 0 and finding the value of x and y. Then finding that x and y values, we say the stationary points or critical points. We will say that stationary points are critical points. Third step is we have to check the points is local points is minimum or maximum. We have to check that. We can see the problem using the function. First problem is find the extreme values of the function f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. The given function is f of x comma y. First step I have told what is, first we have to take the derivative for that function. So the given function with respect to x, first we have to differentiate. So this term we have to differentiate with respect to x. If we differentiate x cube means we will get 3x square, y constant becomes 0, minus 3x we differentiate means minus 3. Next we have to differentiate this function with respect to y. X will become 0, y cube we differentiate means 3y square, minus 12y we differentiate means minus 12. Next, for finding the extreme values, there are two conditions. First, if a is greater than 0 means minimum a greater than 0 and ac minus b square is greater than 0 means that is minimum point, and a less than 0 and ac minus bc greater than bc greater than 0 means that is maximum point. How we can check that? First, we have to find a. A is nothing but we have to differentiate that fx sum with respect to again x means 3x square differentiate means 6x. B is nothing but if we have to differentiate the fy with respect to x, we get 0 because here is no x term, so it becomes 0. C is nothing but fy by this term we have to differentiate with respect to y, we get 3y square we differentiate means 6y. This is the first step. First we have taken the derivative for the given function. Second step, we have to keep the derivative and set it as equal to 0. So I keep that is finding the stationary points. So derivative setting is equal to 0. Two derivatives you have find, fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0. Fx is nothing but 3x square minus 3 or setting as 0. So 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 3 becomes like same plus 3. So x square is equal to 3 divided by 3, we get x minus plus or minus 1. Next, fy is equal to 0. 3y square minus 12 is equal to 0. 3y square is equal to 12. Y is equal to plus or minus 2 we get. Y square is equal to 4 we get. Y is equal to plus or minus 2. So I getting the final stationary points are 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 2. I getting 4 stationary points. Have to find that. Next we have to find the local minimum and maximum value. Further creating a table and writing the 4 critical stationary values. First a is equal to I get 6x. Applying x value 1, so 6 into 1 6. This is greater than 0. Next I apply 6 into 1. This is also greater than 0. 6 into minus 1 minus 6, which is less than 0. This is also minus 6 less than 0. Next b is nothing but 0. All becomes 0. C is nothing but 6y. I get here 12, here minus 12, 12 minus 12. Next important thing is AC minus B square. AC minus B square, I am multiplying A and C and minus turning B square I get. First 72 greater than 0. Next minus 72 less than 0. Minus 72 less than 0. 72 greater than 0. Next we have to give the conclusion. I have to find minimum point or maximum point for this functions. First take it, I in front of the set here. If A and AC minus B square is greater than 0 means that is minimum point. A greater than 0, AC minus B square also greater than 0 means that is minimum point. Here a greater than 0, ac minus b square less than 0 means that is another one minimum point or maximum point. We can say that saddle point. Here a less than 0, here a less than 0, ac minus b square less than 0 means that is also saddle point. Minimum point also not there, maximum also not there. Here a less than 0, ac minus b square greater than 0, this here is a maximum point. So here minimum point is 1 comma 2, maximum point is minus 1 comma minus 2. This you have to apply in the given function and you have to find the maximum value and minimum value for the function. So maximum value of f of x comma y here is minus 1 comma minus 2. So I am applying this given function f of x comma y, f is minus 1, y is minus 2, applying this equation. In front of x I am applying minus 1, in of y I am applying minus 2 cube, minus 3 into x, minus 12 into y plus 20. I will get minus 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 24 plus 20 is equal to 38. Next I have to find the minimum value for the functions. Taking as it is same function, minimum value is 1 comma 2. Applying x as 1 and y as 2, I will get 1 cube plus 2 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 12 into 2 plus 20. 1 plus 8 minus 3 minus 24 plus 20, I get 26 minus 24 is 2. Finally, I am getting for the function f of x comma y, the maximum value is 38 and the minimum value is 2. Thank you.